But tonight it is all about the Pfizer vaccine, and thousands of them are heading straight for Pinellas County. That's where so many people living in long-term care facilities are affected. The governor has declared them a priority group. 10 Tampa Bay's Angelina Salcido shows you how Pinellas plans to get shots to our seniors and make them the first people vaccinated in the Bay Area.
It's the first effort to make sure Florida's most vulnerable gain immunity to COVID-19.
The initial wave, we are going to be targeting nursing home residents and staff.
Dr. Yuli Cho with the Pinellas County Health Department says Pinellas and Broward counties will receive over 21,000 doses of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. 10,700 will be shipped directly to Pinellas, where strike teams made up of paramedics and the National Guard will help coordinate vaccinations.
We're going to use what we've done in the past using the regional incident management team structure. From the health department standpoint, we have experience with a number of mass vaccination efforts in 2018 and 2019.
With one of the largest hepatitis A outbreaks in the state, the Pinellas County Health Department has done a mass vaccination effort before.
Through our vaccination efforts, so through our foot teams, we were able to control that and get past that outbreak.
That made the county one of the state's key candidates to help roll out shots for COVID-19. Infectious disease expert Dr. Jill Roberts says the National Guard will help speed up the process.
Nobody can move things like the military. Florida's actually well known for one of the best places to do this. And the reason being is because of hurricanes. And so because of hurricanes, we have a really robust emergency response network, and we've got a significant amount of experience with moving a large number of supplies and people in a quick manner.
Once on the ground, all doses given will be recorded in the state's immunization tracking system called Florida Shots. The 2-dose vaccine won't be mandatory to take.
And Dr. Cho says they'll likely start vaccinations early next week. We've told you the rest of the vaccine doses Florida is getting will go to 5 pilot hospitals around the state. Tampa General is one of them, as well as locations in Miami, Orlando, and Jacksonville. They'll use the doses on their frontline healthcare workers, another priority group for the state. Those 5 facilities were chosen because they can store the vaccine at the required -94 degrees. And those sub-freezing temperatures not only impacting the storage process, but also shipping as well. So let's take a deeper dive into how they'll get to our state. The massive undertaking is expected to begin within 24 hours. Pfizer says most of the vaccines will ship from Kalamazoo, Michigan. Doses will be loaded into trucks, moved to airports, and shipped by planes to places across the country. Then they'll be delivered by ground with the help of UPS and FedEx. Now, during the whole process, the vaccines have to be kept cold. Pfizer says it uses GPS-enabled thermal sensors to track the location and temperature of each shipment. Now, here's a look at DHL's shipping operation from their setup at Miami's airport. They're in charge of all international shipments of this vaccine, but you can see the containers, ice, refrigerators, planes, and trucks being used to get this vaccine out safely.